Good afternoon, my name is Ben Engels, and my role within Nippon Gases is Reliability Manager Europe. So Nippon Gases is an industrial gases company. We are supplying a broad portfolio of industrial gases for a lot of different applications, which are for the customer not only production critical, but can be safety critical as well. Planned reliability is key for us, but we are also aware of the limitations of the classical condition monitoring techniques. So in extension to that, we decided to implement APM software in order to detect failure modes, additional failure modes, and to be complementary with our condition monitoring program. And Symphony had already a background at that time with condition monitoring. They had experiences. They could show us a use case that's similar to our business. We were a bit afraid about the additional workload we have to spend because our resources are limited in order to support such a project. And we must say we didn't have to start from scratch. There were already templates available. So our effort to prepare the implementation was very limited. So that was also something that contributed to the selection for Symphony. We are far developed into our implementation skill, and we have experienced already some cases where we were able to detect an anomaly before this situation, this issue resulted into an unplanned stop. So for us, it's really added value to have the APM software implemented.